Blowing bubble rings underwater is simple, and with the proper technique, you can learn this skill in minutes. There are many ways to blow bubble rings underwater, but this method is the most simple and reliable. First, pull your lips inward and loosely bite down to help seal your lips together. Next, fill your cheeks with air. Then, release your jaw, allowing your lips to unravel outwards and finish in a puckered position. And that's it. That's the proper technique for blowing bubble rings. Notice that all of these steps occur in quick succession, and that there is usually a second-long delay between cycles. This brief pause allows you to see how your last ring has formed, as well as reset your mouth's position for the next launch. In order to blow the best bubble rings, try to find a patch of water that is stagnant. It is much more challenging to blow bubble rings in a turbulent environment. Begin your training in the shallow end, so that you can get familiar with the experience of blowing bubble rings. Once you are comfortable with the techniques, you can test your skills in deeper water. Usually, water is more stagnant in the deep end, which can help you blow better rings. Also, the bubble rings will have more time to develop, which gives them a chance to turn into massive rings. Naturally, make sure that you have enough air to resurface while in deep water. Now for some tips. First, lay flat on the floor of the pool with your face pointed straight up at the surface. Tilting your head at an angle will make your rings less stable. Second, once you reach the pool floor, wait a few seconds to allow the water above you to calm down. While descending, you mix water around you, which causes your bubbles to dissipate faster if the water is not still. Third, relax. If you want to blow as many bubble rings as possible, start by fully exhaling all of the carbon dioxide from your lungs, then fully inhaling to replenish your oxygen. Try to keep your heartbeat down and exert yourself as little as possible. This should help you to hold your breath longer, thus maximize your bubble ring count. Fourth, avoid blocking your ring's path. Make sure to keep your hands back by plugging your nose away from your mouth. Lastly, practice. The more you practice, the better your bubble rings will become. And with time, you can master the skill of blowing bubble rings underwater.